Okay, so it is winter time and all of our tomato vines are now dead from the frost. We are going to go in and remove these, and people in the springtime always ask me why I like field twine so much. And so I want to show everybody why I like this so much. We have 36 vines that have to be cleared from the beds, and using tomato cages is great when you've got a few vines, but when you have as many as we do and as big as they get, this is going to be a very quick way to clear out all of the stuff that we grew over the summertime. So I am going to now show you how quickly this entire line of tomatoes is going to come down. Okay. So you'll see our field twine here is really easy to see because we had some tomatillos growing here. They don't get very tall. And so I'm going to show you how I'm going to clip all of these going down the line, and then we'll clip the bottoms and the whole thing will fall over. So just a pair of scissors, and I'm going to go through, cut all the twine on the T-post. Like that. And the next T-post. Many of these are buried. As I cut them, they will all start falling over. Hiding under a T-post. Missed one. This is that spoon tomato that loses control, swallows everything around it. More. And this last one. Okay, now making sure we don't get our drip line. These guys are huge. hard to tell if I've gotten the whole thing. This one here branched out low. So, and monster spoon. Okay, so now we're going to take a pitchfork, now that everything's been cut, and we're going to start pulling them away from the bed so that they can be loaded up. We do not put these in our compost. They get hauled off. And that guy's going to be a monster. But you can see how quickly this comes down compared to trying to pull them out of cages. Again, spoon tomatoes always going to slow me down. This is a monster plant. If you ever decide to grow it, give it lots of room. So we're gonna have to get hands-on here. You can see how quickly I'm pulling this whole thing down. So we'll haul all of these off. Then we just have the bases down here that have a gopher cage. We'll dig those up and throw the bases away. And then we'll pull the T-posts out and we'll get this bed ready for sunflowers this spring. And that's it.